How to use live captions and transcripts in Teams. Welcome to this short video on how to make Microsoft Teams accessible to a diversity of users using live captions and transcripts. This is available in the new Teams for schools and students. Personal Teams accounts permits captions but not transcripts. Live captions. Teams detects what is spoken in a meeting and presents real-time captions of this. Prior to a meeting, open Teams in the desktop app or web-based Teams. Go to Settings by clicking on the three dots at the top right of the screen beside your organization and photo or initials. This will open a box where you can click on Settings. On the left of the screen under Settings, find Captions and Transcripts. Then on the right, you will see several options. Automatically be identified as yourself in meeting captions and transcripts, filter profane words in meeting captions, and to always show live captions in meetings. It is suggested to leave Always Show Live Captions in Meetings turned off at this point. They can be turned on individually within the Teams meeting. Instructions for this are shown in step 3. Note, Teams doesn't save captions. To get a transcript of captions, download it after the meeting. Instructions are shown later in this video. Now you're ready to go into a live Teams meeting. Go to your calendar located in the left column below Assignments. Get into a live meeting by joining a meeting already set up in your calendar, or join with an ID or Meet Now. Once in the Teams meeting, you can turn on live captions. Click on the three dots above More near the top right of your screen between Apps and Camera. A dialog box will open. Click on Language and Speech, then click on Turn on Live Captions. Captions then start to appear according to your caption settings. The appearance of captions on your screen will show according to your settings within the Teams meeting. As shown here, they appear at the bottom of the Teams screen with a black font on a white background. To adjust the appearance, click on the gear at the top right of the caption box. This will open the caption settings, where you can customize how you want the captions to appear in the meeting. You can confirm or select the spoken language and see a sample of what your captions look like. Then you can customize the font colors, background colors, height of the caption box, the position at the bottom or top of your Teams screen, and set the font size. Transcripts. Start a transcript by turning it on in a live meeting. Go to More, click on Record and Transcribe, then select Start Transcription. Next, select the language everyone is speaking. When done, a text box lets you know the transcription has started, and a column on the right shows the transcript has started and will show the text of what is being spoken as the meeting goes along. By clicking on the gear in the transcript box, you can select and confirm the spoken language. When done creating a transcript, go to More, select Record and Transcribe, and then select Stop Transcript. A text box lets you know the transcription has stopped, and it's also shown in the column to the right. You also have the option to hide transcript. Once the team meeting is finished, you can locate the transcript by clicking on the chat area in the left of your team's homepage. This will open the chat area for all meetings. Select the meeting you want and click on Chat in the horizontal bar that states Meet with Person X to show the details for that meeting. Then click on Transcript. Once the transcript is open, it will show all spoken text, while transcript was turned on during the meeting with a timestamp of when it started and when it stopped. You can download the transcript by clicking on a down arrow to the right of download, which opens a dialog box for this. Thank you for viewing this short video on using live captions and transcripts in Microsoft Teams. This is Roberta Thompson of the Adaptech Research Network. Funding is possible by Entente Canada Quebec, ECQ.